compensate us. This may influence this where which products are right about and where and how to product appears on a page. However, this does not influence our evaluations, our opinions are our own. There is a list of your partners, and here's how we make money. Here's show refinances student loans is neutral. Find lenders that will offer you a lower interest rate. Compare them. Apply. If you improved, if you are approved, the new lender will pay off your text existing lender. Going forward, you will make monthly payment of the new lenders. Here's the deeper look at the 7 steps that make up how a student loan refinancing process works. First, deciding if refinancing is the right for you. Refinancing make sense if can save money, but not everyone should refinance. You will need strong credit and financing to qualify for the lowest rate and meet a financial lenders eligibility criteria. If the refinancing federal student loan, they will be ineligible for government program like income driven repayment and student loan relief due to the coronavirus pandemic. Don't refinance federal student loan unless you are sure your job is not at risk and you would not need these options. One of the other hand, refinancing private student loans have minimal downside. Private loans would not qualify for those federal programs. Research lenders. If at first glance most student loan refinance lenders are very similar but look certain features depending on your situation. For example, what to be refinance parent plus loan in your child's name, find a lender that allows it. Did not graduate, find the lender that does not require a college degree. Parent plus loan refinancing, medical school loan refinancing, international loan refinancing, credit union student loan refinancing, bonus programs, refinancing student loans for last fast payoff, student loan refinancing with no degree, best student loan refinance companies, banks that refinance students loans, MBA student loan refinancing. Get multiple rate estimates. Once you identify a few lenders that fit your needs, get rate estimate from all of them. Ultimately, the best refinance lender for you is one of that offers you offer the late lowest rate. You can compare it from multiple students loan refinancing lender at once or visit each lender website individually. As you shop, some lenders will ask you to pre-qualify, supply basic information to give you its best estimate of the rate you might qualify for. Other lenders will show you a rate only for that after you submit a full application, but that rate is actual offer. A soft credit check. A pre-qualification typically does not affect your credit scores. An actual application requires a hard credit check that may briefly lower your credit score. Choose a lender and loan term. Once you land on a lender, you have a few more decisions to make. Do you not fixed or variable interest rate, and how long do you want for your repayment period? Fixed interest rate are generally the best option for most borrowers. Variables rate may be lower at first, but they are subject to change monthly and or quarterly. To save the most money, choose the shortest repayment period you can afford. If you would like lower monthly repayments so you can prioritize other expenses, pick a longer repayment timeline. Complete the application. Even if you are pre-qualified, you need to submit a full application to move forward with a lender. You will ask for more information about your loan and financial situation and to upload supporting documents. You will need some combination of the following: loan or payoff verification statement, proof of employment, W-2 from recent pay stubs, tax returns, proof of residency, proof of graduation, government issued ID card. So finally, you must agree to the let lenders do a hard credit pull to confirm your interest rate. You will also have the option to refinance with a cosigner, which could help you qualify for a lower rate of interest. Sign the full documents. If you are approved, you will need to sign final paper to accept the loan. A 3-day recurrent 3 days discussion period begins once you sign the loan financial disclosure document. During that time, you can cancel the refinance loan if you change your mind. If you are denied, the lenders will let you know the reason why. If it's because of you have bad credit, you may be able to qualify by adding a co-signer or may need a lower debt to income ratio to qualify. Wait for the loan payoff. After recurrent period ends, your named lender will pay off your existing lender to servicer going forward. You will make monthly repayments to your new refinance lender. Keep making repayments to make existing lender for servicer until you get confirmation that process is complete. If you need a overpaying, you will get a refund. Another refund. About an author, Teddy Nickel is a form of personal finance but student loan right for NetWallet. Her work has been featured by the Associate Press USA Today returns. Student loan refinance. Basically, the refinance of student loan is all depend upon the banks and also depend upon the financing system of your country. Refinance your student loans can save thousands of lower your monthly repayment. Here's some refinance student loan to qualify. Student loan refinance saving borrowers money by replacing existing education debt with a new lower cost through private lenders. To qualify, you will need credit scores at least in the high 600, ideally high steady income. If you fall short on either, you might end a co-signer who qualifies. You can refinance both federal loan and private loan. It does not cost anything to refinance student loans, and you may be able to reduce your monthly payment or pay off your debt faster. To decide refinancing your student loan makes sense, you will want to make sure your loans qualify, that you are not giving up payment option. You might choose right company. To decide if refinancing your student loans makes sense, you will not be make sure the loan qualify, that you are not giving up payment option you might need, that you will getting better interest rate, and that you have chosen right company.